Look around you. Most people are waiting for someone to notice them, waiting for support, waiting for motivation. But here's the truth, nobody cares. Not about your dreams, not about your execute, not about the life you say you want. The world only notice one thing, results. And if you want results, you have to work harder than everyone else. The first, the hard truth. Many people believe the world is supposed to help them. They believe someone will guide them, someone will motivate them, someone will give them the opportunity they deserve. But life does not work that way. Everyone is busy with their own problems. Everyone is trying to survive. Everyone is trying to build their own future. No one wakes up thinking about your dream, and that may sound harsh, but it is actually powerful. Because when you realize nobody is coming to help you, you stop waiting, you stop making excuses, and you start working. The second, the excuse trap. Think about how many times people say things like, I will start tomorrow, I am waiting for the right moment, I just need for motivation. But the truth is, motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. If you only work when you feel motivated, you will spend most of your life doing nothing. Successful people do not wait to feel ready. They work when they are tired. They work when they are bored. They work when nobody is watching. Because they understand something most people never learn. Discipline is more powerful than motivation. The third, why hard work wins. Look at anyone who has built something great. Athletes, entrepreneurs, creators, leaders. None of them succeed because someone felt sorry for them. They succeed because they work when others stop. They practice longer, they studied harder, they stayed focused when everyone else was distracted. While others were scrolling through their phones, they were improving their skills. Why? Others were complaining about life. They were betting their future, and over time, that difference becomes massive. Small daily effort turns into big results. Number 4, the reality of the world. The world does not reward potential, it rewards action. You may have talent, you may have idea, you may have dream bigger than anyone around you. But if you do not act on them, they mean nothing. Because ideas without action are just wishes, and wishes do not change your life. Work does. The uncomfortable kind of work. The kind where you wake up early. The kind where you keep going when you feel like quitting. This is work that separates successful people for everyone else. Number 5, your competition. Here is something most people forget. You are not only competing with them, people around you. You are competing with millions of people across the world. Someone out there is studying harder than you. Someone is training longer than you. Someone is working while you are resting. And every single day, that person gets closer to the life you want. That is why effort matters so much. Because the gap between average and successful is not talent. It is consistency. Doing the work every single day. Even when nobody cares. Even when nobody supports you. Even when nobody believes in you. Number 6, build your own future. At some point in life, everyone has a choice. You can keep blaming your solution, blame your past, blame other people, or you can take responsibility. You can decide that your future will be different. And the moment you take responsibility for your life, everything changes. Because now your progress depends on one thing, your effort, not luck, not approval, not permission, just your willingness to work. And the truth is simple, nobody is coming to save you. Nobody will build your dreams for you. Nobody will do the work for you. And that is exactly why you must become stronger. You must become more disciplined. You must become more focused than everyone before. Because one day, the same people who ignore you will certainly notice your success. The same people who doubt you will ask how you did it. And when that moment comes, you will know the answer. You stop waiting, you stop making excuses, and you start working harder than everyone else. So remember this, nobody